Davenport city officials say the Mississippi water levels could reach an all-time high in the coming weeks. The Mississippi River hitting 18 feet, entering major flood stage this afternoon. News 8's Colin Riviello is live in downtown Davenport. Colin, how is the city preparing to protect residents and businesses?
Linda, city officials say they're confident in their prep work, which you can see right behind me. They also say they're working closely with the Corps of Engineers to ensure what happened 4 years ago doesn't happen again. Workers are working around the clock to fill containers with dirt. The city's public work director says it's tripling the amount of sand used from 2019, something Davenport's mayor says is a lesson learned from the past.
It's up, the pumps are there, west end, tons of pumps working, so we're ready for this fight before this flood really gets anywhere close. Wasn't quite there then.
City officials say they'll open and close roads based on the water's levels. Right now, parts of River Drive, South Concord, and Barty Beck are closed. And get this, guys, Governor Kim Reynolds just issued an emergency proclamation moments ago for surrounding counties around the Mississippi. And live in Davenport, Colin Riviello, WQAD News 8. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Colin. The city wants to remind residents never to drive in high water and to follow road closure signs.